Looking for a reliable way to water your lawn evenly and efficiently? The best tripod sprinkler combines adjustable height, durable construction, and wide coverage to handle gardens of any size, while delivering consistent performance and long-lasting results every season. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Biswing Tripod Sprinkler. The Biswing Tripod Sprinkler is a strong and reliable watering solution designed for homeowners who need durability and performance. Built with a heavy-duty brass sprinkler head and a solid alloy tripod stand, this model is rust-proof, sturdy, and made to last through seasons of use. Its tripod legs extend between 16 and 37 inches, allowing users to adjust the height according to garden needs, while quick-release clips make setup simple and secure. The gooseneck hose connector ensures easy attachment, and a built-in rubber O-ring filter helps prevent sand and debris from clogging the nozzle. This impact sprinkler rotates freely in nearly a full 360 degrees, offering adjustable spray patterns and ranges, which makes watering not only efficient but also enjoyable. With coverage extending 20 to 35 feet in radius, it can handle small and mid-sized yards effectively, though water pressure plays a role in the overall reach. Recommended for 20 to 60 psi, it works even under lower pressure, but performs best at higher ranges. This sprinkler fits standard US 3/4-inch hose fittings, ensuring compatibility with most garden hoses. Perfect for lawns, flower beds, patios, greenhouses, and even cooling around pools, the Biswing Tripod Sprinkler combines practicality with durability, making it a smart investment for anyone seeking versatile irrigation. Number 2. LIULO Tripod Sprinkler. The LIULO Tripod Sprinkler is designed for homeowners who want both performance and convenience when watering their yard. This package includes 2 brass impact sprinkler heads and 2 adjustable tripod stands, making it an excellent choice for larger spaces or for people who want to cover multiple areas at once. Built from heavy-duty brass and solid alloy, it is durable enough to withstand high pressure, harsh weather, and years of regular use without rusting or corroding. The adjustable tripod legs extend from 16 to 37 inches, giving users flexibility depending on their garden's layout, while the quick-release clips provide stability and easy setup. The sprinkler heads rotate nearly 360 degrees and include 4 adjustable spray settings, allowing for customizable watering coverage whether you want partial or full-circle irrigation. With a spray reach of up to 35 feet in radius, it efficiently hydrates medium to large lawns, though the reach depends on water pressure. It can handle up to 80 psi, making it capable of distributing water effectively even under strong flow. A built-in rubber O-ring filter ensures that sand and debris don't clog the nozzle, maintaining consistent performance. Ideal for gardens with obstacles like fences or vines, the LIULO Tripod Sprinkler combines versatility, strength, and efficiency for all-around irrigation needs. Number 3. Melnor Tripod Sprinkler. The Melnor Tripod Sprinkler is a compact yet highly capable watering tool designed for precision and convenience. Unlike traditional impact sprinklers, this model uses a mini-sized oscillator that delivers full-size coverage of up to 4,000 square feet, making it an excellent choice for medium lawns and gardens. Its standout feature is the 4-way adjustment system, which allows users to fine-tune the watering pattern with remarkable accuracy, ensuring that every corner of the yard receives just the right amount of hydration. The tripod stand, built from sturdy metal, adjusts from 27 inches up to 39 inches in height, offering flexibility for gardens with tall shrubs or fences that standard sprinklers can't reach. Another benefit is the inclusion of Melnor's Quick Connect starter set, which allows gardeners to connect and disconnect the sprinkler from the hose easily, even while water is running. This saves time and effort, especially when switching between watering tools. With smooth operation and reliable coverage, the Melnor tripod sprinkler stands out for its blend of compact design and powerful performance. It's ideal for homeowners who want precision control over their irrigation, ensuring water is directed where it's needed most without waste. Durable, adjustable, and efficient, it's a practical option for maintaining a healthy, vibrant lawn. Number 4. STYDDI Tripod Sprinkler. The STYDDI Tripod Sprinkler is a robust and versatile watering solution ideal for homeowners with large yards or gardens full of obstacles, such as fences, shrubs, and vines. Its height-adjustable tripod design makes it stand taller than standard sprinklers, allowing it to distribute water more effectively across wide areas. Built from heavy-duty zinc alloy, this sprinkler is made to endure high water pressure and tough weather conditions without rusting, corroding, or tipping over in strong winds. The adjustable tripod base ranges from 16 inches up to 36 inches, giving you flexibility in positioning while its sturdy build ensures stability during use. What sets this sprinkler apart is its customizable spray coverage. The impact head can be adjusted from a partial spray of 0 to 340 degrees to a full 360-degree rotation, reaching up to 70 feet in diameter and covering as much as 5,600 square feet. This level of control allows you to target specific areas or water your entire lawn with ease. Designed to provide efficient and even irrigation, the STYDDI Tripod Sprinkler is perfect for large gardens, farms, or patios that need consistent watering. Combining heavy-duty construction, flexibility, and wide coverage, it is a dependable investment for anyone seeking professional-grade irrigation for residential use. Number 5. Orbit Tripod Sprinkler. The Orbit Tripod Sprinkler is a practical and efficient irrigation solution that excels at covering large outdoor spaces. Designed with durability and performance in mind, it delivers spray coverage of up to 80 feet in diameter, effectively hydrating up to 5,026 square feet when set to a full circle. The sprinkler head is fully adjustable, with collar tabs that let you easily switch between partial and full circle spray patterns depending on your watering needs. A 4-position diffuser adds another layer of customization, letting you control the water distribution between fine droplets and stronger jets for different applications. Built with a gear drive mechanism, this sprinkler operates with whisper-quiet performance, making it less disruptive while in use. The construction is made of strong, durable plastic that resists rust and corrosion, ensuring longevity through multiple seasons. Its flow-through outlet design allows you to connect multiple sprinklers in series, making it an excellent option for larger lawns or gardens. Setting up is simple, with a push-in spike for positioning in soft turf or soil, which also makes it easy to move around when needed. Perfect for homeowners looking for reliable, quiet, and customizable irrigation, the Orbit Tripod Sprinkler combines user-friendly operation with wide-reaching coverage, making lawn care both simple and effective. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.